Hello there again. It's that time for the end of day report with yours truly, the Outgo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Report that we bring to you each and every day. Go ahead and smash that like button. You know what it is. Let's go ahead and look at these charts and get it cracked. And we got a couple that we're going to take a look at this evening. Not going to hold you long. All right, so the first one here is on the ASX. The ticker is PEN, Pennsylvania Energy. As you can see, there's a rally alert for tomorrow's trading. Market's going to try to break past the overhead resistance zone and get up and out of the Kumo cloud after a prolonged sideways trade situation. So we'll see if the market can actually do it this time. We'll find out what's up. All right, next up, we're going to look at BBX, also on the ASX. This is BBX Minerals. The rally alert we had was back here on the 23rd of April, and we've got nothing but upside production, and the market halted today right at the overhead resistance zone of the top of the Kumo cloud. The question will be, can it ride this momentum and get up out of the cloud? That's what we're going to be looking for on that one. Next up, we got S32 also on the ASX. This is South 32, and we have some sideways action here, but right now the market is still in control by the bulls. For now, they're keeping the thing afloat. Got a little bit of a nice rally going right now, and I think the market wants to take out the current short-term highs. So it looks like this one wants to head deep into the $3 zone. So we'll be watching to see what's up with that one. Next up on the crypto side is BNB. We got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Trendline support down there near the $400 mark is going to be the initial target on that one. All right, and let's see here. You said GSAT, okay, Global Star. Let's see. That looks like that was on the New York Stock Exchange. All right, so here's the GSAT rally alert for tomorrow's trading. Bottom of the Kumo cloud is going to be the initial target and also your first spot of overhead resistance. Second will be the top of the Kumo cloud. So we'll see if this one can get up. It's been in the neutral zone here for about a week or so. We'll see if the market can get enough energy out of it and get something going here. A lot of these markets have been moving sideways and not a lot going on. So we'll see if that can change going into tomorrow's trading after the flip-flop. We were down Monday, up Tuesday. So we'll see if Wednesday is going to be the key for these markets. All right, this next one is IPOE. This is social capital. All right, so you had your crash alert back here, and there's been downside production ever since. Looks like the market wants to come in here and test and take out the previous support. You also have a bear pointer way back here that was made on March the 5th of this year. So I think this is exactly what we're holding, where we're heading, which could drop the price back down south of 12 bucks. All right, so that's just something to think about on that one. All right, next up we got, let's see here. What do I have? Here we go. Let's look at the Doji. All right, so Doji is doing its thing, as you can see. All right, so we had the rally alert back here, and there's been steady upside production ever since. And I think this one wants to keep going. It really doesn't have any overhead resistance. It can go and run as much as it wants right now. It's just wide open on the Doji. All right, wide open price action. The market is bullish. All right, so here is DOT. DOT's been kind of, running up from the initial dip. Now we got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on the dot. Next up is, let's see here. Let's look at the EOS. Got a crash alert on this one as well for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Trend line support is the initial target on that one. As far as Ethereum goes, we got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading on Ethereum. Got all the way up there, man, trying to test that 3,700 mark. It may want to keep going, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is just off to the races. No overhead resistance. It's a no man's zone. It's just doing what it's doing. On the other hand, your gold is doing absolutely nothing. It's stuck in the mud, stuck in first gear. All right, just moving sideways. The bears are still in control because every little pop-up spike gets sold intraday. So right now, you're just in a neutral to slightly lower prices of what we're looking at here on the outlook on gold. Even though you're in the bullish zone, you're not doing anything. You're not trending. No momentum, like literally zero momentum in your gold right now. Just nothing really happening. The market is chilling. Don't ask me why. It's just, I guess, there's just no confidence. No one is willing to really put on a big position. Silver has a crash alert, though, for tonight into tomorrow's trading. You're right here at the trend line support, so this one's threatening to come down here and possibly take out this bearish pointer back here. So this is definitely one to watch on the silver. What about that tech sector? What's up with the NASDAQ 100? Let's take a look, shall we? All right, so the E-mini NASDAQ 100 broke trendline support, but only to close slightly above it. Bears are still very much in control. Your crash alert was back here, and the downside production's right here. That tells you everything you need to know about the market. Next target is the top of the Kumo cloud way down here at the 13,000 level. So that looks like another 500 plus points that we can drop in the tech sector. What about small caps? Well, here is the Russell My Hustle. All right, and this is what we got. Crash alert and downside production. This one also hit the top of the Kumo cloud only to close slightly above it. But you can see the downside production from the crash alert. And I think now the next stop is the bottom. I'm sorry, the top and or bottom of the Kumo cloud. That could take us sub 2200 in that one. On the equity side of the NASDAQ 100, this is the QQQ, the NASDAQ 100 ETF. You can see a gap down here. It may try to uptick, fill this gap before coming back down again, but the top of the Kumo cloud is the next stop. That'll take us around the 315-ish level on the Qs. Taking a look at oil now, I have to say oil is looking bullish here. All right, here's your rally alert. Here's all that upside production, and that's about it. Nothing else going on. Just upside production, non-stop. Gotta respect it, right? Gotta respect it. All right, that's it, folks. Smash that like button, and you know what it is. This is our last chart. This is going to be the Bitcoin. Mighty Bitcoin. You can see here we're at the ticking time bomb. We're in a neutral zone. Crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. 5,000 or so is the initial target. I know. Don't want to see it. Don't want to hear it. Don't want to talk about it. But that is where the market is threatening to go. Sub 5,000. All right. You know what it is, man. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.